So as long as there's been cars, there's been wax. Wax is something that people did to their car when their car was dull, or when their car was oxidized, or scratched up. Oh, my car needs to be waxed, it's got scratches. At this point, most people know, okay, that's not really something for wax, that's something for paint correction or polishing, compounding, etc. But wax still has a place in a lot of people's hearts. And that's because the therapy that you get from waxing is really significant. So let's say I was to take this jar of Adam's Patriot wax. Oh, you rub the applicator around inside the jar. You go ahead and you just apply the wax, and you go over every single crease, every nook, every cranny, and you get that entire panel done. You can feel every single contour of the car. Is wax still relevant? Has it been one-upped? Absolutely it has. In fact, the ceramics that are now available are significantly more durable, they're easier to apply, and they last way, way, way longer, whereas waxes are gonna last in the neighborhood of a month to 2 months. The ceramics are gonna be years. There is actually one kind of car that I would consider only waxing. A car that you're considering doing paint work on. Anything that you might possibly repaint, you don't want a ceramic coat. It'll be harder for your painter, your body shop, to get that old paint off and to completely strip it and get ready to repaint it, okay? If you are old school in nature, you're old school in how you approach your car care, and you love the process of waxing your car, and you love the process of slowly removing that wax, I'll tell you what, Paste Wax delivers. It definitely is the most therapeutic way of protecting your car. Now, if your car is exposed to the elements, wax is not your friend. It's not gonna be the protection that you need. You're definitely gonna wanna move up into something like our H2O Garden Gloss. Otherwise, ceramics have become so easy to use. The process is very, very simple, and both the glow and the results and the durability is outstanding.